Kita hari ini lagi bersih-bersih pantai di Pulau Damar kecil. Ini di Kepulauan Seribu ya, salah satu pantai yang tidak berpenghuni. Tapi sampahnya banyak sekali. Jadi memang sampahnya tidak datang dari dalam pulaunya itu sendiri, tapi datang dari laut. Dan karena ini Pulau Seribu, ya pasti datangnya dari Jakarta ya, Jakarta daratan.
Jakarta is the place where we live, and we want to make a contribution to society here. By organizing events with local partners across the country, we have similar projects in 40 other municipalities and localities around the country. These are all grassroots organizations that have volunteered, have spontaneously contacted us. Plastics is a global problem.
In 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean if we don't stop this marine litter the way we've been doing it over the last couple of years. I think it's a huge problem for nature, but also a huge problem for human health, because we will end up eating all of this plastic.
And imagine, of all the plastic we use, only 9% is recyclable. 8 million tons a year disappears into the oceans and onto the land, which are thrown away.
Apparently, everybody now realizes that plastic is really bad and a problem, but still the production and consumption of plastic keeps growing.
Polusi sampah plastik di Indonesia sudah sangat gawat. Di sini aja kita bisa lihat bahwa banyak sekali plastik ya, sachet, sedotan, kemudian bekas kemasan yang dari air minum dalam kemasan. Pokoknya banyak sekali jenis-jenis plastik. Mungkin kalau dihitung ada ratusan jenis dan banyak yang nggak bisa didaur ulang.
It's such an eye-opener to see how much plastic ends up here. I'm particularly struck by the problem of those small little sachets. I never realized when I buy can end up here and be such a problem. So difficult to clean up.
Kegiatan yang luar biasa bagi saya, tentunya sama-sama kita dukung. Ini dari rekan-rekan komunitas bisa masuk, tentunya ini memotivasi kita semua. Pada kesempatan ini ditunjukkan kerja nyata dengan membersihkan pantai yang ada di wilayah Pulau Damar ini.
It's easy to say it's a problem, but it's harder to say how do we get rid of the problem or how can we solve or prevent the problem.
Beach cleanup is not the solution. We're here to raise awareness. We want to affirm here is to tell the world that it's an issue.
I hope that the impact of today's activity is that we can share the idea of people, Indonesians, foreigners who work together in taking responsibility.
Dan mudah-mudahan kita bisa kerja bareng-bareng semuanya untuk mengatasi masalah-masalah yang lain.
Our goal, of course, is ultimately to try and promote authorities of Indonesia adopt laws and rules that phase out the use of single-use plastic. It is us who need to make the change.
Bersama kita lindungi
Kehidupan laut.
together to protect marine life.